The previous class we are discussing what? The unit of capacitance also, and that was farad. 1 coulomb by 1 volt, that was told by 1 farad. To generate 1 voltage potential difference, how much charge required? 1 coulomb charge required, and that capacitance of the capacitor considered as 1 farad. But maximum cases you can see that as a unit of capacitance in your questions, it was given in a smaller form, that is microfarad. And 1 microfarad equals to how many farad? 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So maximum cases you can see that, suppose here two capacitor, one is this and another is this. This is 2 microfarad and another is 4 microfarad. And you can see that both are connected in series. So what is the resultant capacitance between 2 and 4? How can you find out? 1 by CS equals to, we have to do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. If we do the LCM, 4 here, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, that is 3 upon 4 microfarad. But that is 1 by CS. So always please check, when you are doing this formula, you are getting the value of 1 by CS. So we have to reverse this. So CS equals to how much? CS equals to 4 by 3 microfarad. That will be your answer, okay?